there's a Wawa around too. No. Father. Yo, some of these houses are huge back here.
Yeah, she wants that one right there.
Is that your farmhouse you want? Dang, Tommy, look at your hard work.
Yeah, you know, back hurts a little bit from chopping all the wood, but you know, you didn't.
Dang!
Don't show my cheater. Just know I'm gonna flint and steel. Later, get him a video of him going with the matches. Oh shit! You saw that?
Started raining.
Only one prepared.
I know. I was making fun of him earlier about having the umbrella. Yo, it's pouring.
Better get in there quick. Lock her down.
Can I at least get my pillow?
No, you can't be comfortable. We're camping, not glamping.
Fine.
Are those drugs?
No.
How much for that park?
Oh yeah. As you can see, we don't have our tent yet because Bubblegum Dum Dum hasn't shown up.
No, his bubblegum dum dum.
We're all here.
Give him a 10.
He took it. It was raining a little bit ago, so we haven't set up. I haven't set up my tent between our two trees here. Apparently we have behind Matt, we have here with Matt's tent, and we have behind us with Matt's bike, and Matt's picnic table, and Matt's cooler. Is it still on? And Matt's chair, Matt's other chair, Matt's boy, Matt's other boy. This is Matt's Jeep. Is this Matt's tree? Matt, is this your tree? No, that's your tree. Matt's boats in the background. Matt's canal. But that's my grill.
That's my God.
Did you stay dry in there?
Yeah, it's pretty good.
That's good. I also stayed dry with Matt's umbrella. Just keep it in the shot just a little bit. Gotta use two hands.
Holmes?
Huh?
Is that what the umbrella said?
Yeah, I'm Christian. Weren't even inside with us. All I'm saying is the little dot is us.
You asked her about
Oh.
This is the best trip ever.
Came back after the huge storm. Tent kind of dry.
It rained.
It's a little wet, just a little.
I've had one of these.
Got all this wood. Oof. It looks like a what?
That's Matt's beer.
What beer? My bulldog?
Yeah.
Oh, you trying to? Oh, okay. We're back in the vehicle.
Rainstorm 2.0.
You want to try to go on the beach now?
No. I learned my lesson the first time.
Corey, tell him I took a shot of old camp. Tell him this is old camp too. And then you were like, boom! And I was like,
Next time you
pulled over there.
Yo, you good over there?
I made it to about 7 before I started sounding muffled. You can't chew them.
He's gonna laugh. Please do not choke.
You gotta say it after you put it in camera. That's 5.
the next day. Tommy's trying to start fire. We've got a new campsite. Our campsite over there got flooded. So we got this. Tent's over there. Where Tommy slept last night. And then the river.
Just bit my fingernail backwards.
I just saw that too.
Ouchie. Ouchie.
Hey, I got it on video.
That's good.
That's kind of content we need.
That's why I turned it on really quick.
Ow.
Damn, I'm at 38%. Dang.
One broken finger, but you have fire. Again. We're not putting this one out.
Alright, put it out.
It's okay. We're trying.
The biscuits are a little burned. The meat looks good though. But the biscuits are burnt.
Are you gonna try to do the eggs? Okay. This has not worked out well in my favor yet, so we're just gonna like put that on
I
hold.
was just gonna say, like, maybe not. Just leave that alone.
No.
I ain't gonna lie. Sorry, it was finished cooking.
Ooh. Ooh, that's Matt's bacon. Matt's fire. Matt's bacon. Matt's spatula.
Matt's cast iron.
Matt's cast iron.
Last one.
Oh, it's hot. Ooh, ooh. We got Matt's biscuits. Just don't worry about it. It'll rip the burn off just like that one. Matt's sausage. That's good. We know how to cook that. Matt's gravy. Matt's sweet tea.
Put me to a fucking challenge again. So,
Matt, thanks for cooking us all this breakfast,
Oh,
making the
oh,
fire.
you're welcome. It was a hard work. I couldn't get it started at first.
Yeah, it looked kind of wet.
Yeah, it
The
was,
guy came over with the gasoline log.
yeah.
Our gasoline logs.
I still don't like, but anyways, that's besides the point.
This is true.
Damn,
He
the sun's coming out.
He decided to put the logs around the fire, you know, dry them out because of our torrential downpour. We got the hurricane coming later today, right? Oh,
What was that all about?
will it catch on fire?
No.
No. No. Okay.
What? 911.
What's your emergency?
Last one.
You got it, man.
Making a good one.
There's so many jellyfish out.
I don't want to get in the sweat for people's way.
Yo, once you get in the water, it's cool. We got round 2 of storms.
Around 17.
You see that one?
See the fire lit again?
Oh yeah, the fire lit.
Matt did that.
Matt's fire.
It's Matt's fire. Did we show you Matt's knife? Oh, nice. Watch this.
My speaker too?
Yeah, kind of butt speaker.
Shit, Matt's chairs.
We're just living in Matt's world. It's Matt's world.